Conquering the Analytical Writing Section of the GRE. Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our GRE test preparation series. Today, we're going to focus on one critical part of the GRE, the Analytical Writing Section. We'll break down what this section involves, strategies to tackle it, and key points to remember for writing effective responses. The Analytical Writing Section is the first part of the GRE, and it is designed to assess your critical thinking and analytical writing skills. It is divided into two separate tasks, the Analyze an Issue task and the Analyze an Argument task. In the Analyze an Issue task, you are presented with a statement on a general issue and you are required to present your perspective on that issue. You can agree or disagree with the statement, but the key is to provide well-reasoned arguments to support your view. On the other hand, the Analyze an Argument task involves evaluating a given argument. You need to consider the logical soundness of the argument rather than agree or disagree with the position it presents. To succeed in this section, there are some crucial strategies to remember. Firstly, plan your essays. Spend the initial few minutes understanding the prompt and organizing your thoughts. Outline your points before starting to write. It will help keep your essay structured and focused. Secondly, provide strong supporting examples. For both tasks, your essay should be filled with specific evidence supporting your perspective or your critique. This evidence can come from a wide range of sources: personal experiences, current events, historical examples, etc. Lastly, prioritize clarity and precision over vocabulary complexity. While a broad vocabulary can help, it's more important to be clear and precise in your argument. Your points should be well articulated and logical. In this section, we'll highlight some crucial points you should keep in mind when tackling the analytical writing section. 1. Time management. You have 30 minutes for each task. Use your time wisely. 2. Don't sit on the fence. For the Analyze an Issue task, take a clear position. Ambiguity can lead to a weak argument. 3. Proofread. After writing your essay, spare some time to review your work, correct errors, and make necessary improvements. That's all for today's video on the analytical writing section of the GRE. Remember, good writing is a product of clear thinking, careful planning, and practice. So, keep practicing your writing skills, and don't forget to use the strategies and tips we discussed today. We hope this video was helpful, and we wish you the best of luck on your GRE journey.